Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm about to show you how to use NordVPN on an iPhone for TikTok. So a lot of people are having some regional issues on TikTok. Could be TikTok Shop, TikTok Live. And if you want to use NordVPN for iPhone for unlocking TikTok purposes, what you can do is first simply head over to your browser of your choice and search NordVPN and create a free account. Once you are there, you can see on the top right side we have these three dots that we can access to, and once we click on these three dots, you'll be able to see we have this downloads option. Right now, once you head over to downloads, you can see we have download the app for iOS, and this is exactly what we need for today. And once you are there, you're going to be downloading it, and from there you can easily choose a plan to get started with and also unlock your TikTok regional issues. So before we also begin to introduce NordVPN further, you can also head over to the link in the description to get 70% off on NordVPN, and that is going to be giving you a huge benefit to get started with. So this is how you can use it for TikTok. Now, another great way to use NordVPN is also using extension, but that is for desktop or laptop versions. But yeah, you can use it online and get yourself unlocked TikTok and everything. If you still have any questions or issues, you can feel free to let us know in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.